right, so let's talk about number 11 on review 1, midterm review 1. So they said that you have 40 meters of fencing, and one side of the garden is going to be up against a house, so that's going to be a solid wall, and that there would be fencing here, here, and here, and there's 40 meters of fencing, and they want to know what are the dimensions of the garden and what is the maximum area. All right, so the first thing you want to do is say what you want x equal to. Now you can either have x equal to the width or the length or whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to say the width. So I'm going to call that x and I'm going to call that x. Well, I have 40 meters of fencing and I've used x amount here and x amount here. So I have 40 minus 2x of fencing left to put on this side. I'm going to set y equal to area. So the equation I have to write will be for area. Well, area is length times width. So my equation will be x times 40 minus 2x. And now at this point, I have a choice. What I need to find is the vertex. So I can multiply this out and do it algebraically, or I can go to my calculator. I think it would be easier for me to go to the calculator. So let's pull up the calculator. So you're going to go to your Y editor. You're going to put this in your calculator. You're going to set your window, and I set my window X from 0 to 25 and Y's from 0 to 250. And then you're going to graph it. You have this beautiful little parabola, and you want to find the vertex. So you're going to go to second trace. You want to find the maximum, so you're going to go to number 4. You're going to go to the left and hit enter. You're going to go to the right and hit enter and hit enter again. And you get that your vertex is at 10, 200. And don't forget now that if you use your calculator to solve the problem, you must draw your window. And I said X was width and Y was area. And so now this is my X and this is my Y. So I know that my width is 10 and my area is 200. So my dimensions would be 10 feet by, well, if I put 10 in here, this would be 40 minus 20. So this would be 20 feet. And my max area then would be 200 feet squared. If you have any questions, let me know.